I strongly believe that if you know what your deliberate and conscious legacy will be, you are on your way to living a more meaningful life. This is why I hope that you will spend a few minutes watching this video and reflecting upon your thoughts on this matter. So, what is legacy? Many believe it is the money and things you leave behind after you die. But for me, more importantly, they are the memories and inspirational force that you leave your family, especially your children and grandchildren. When I was 14 years, my grandmother, Popo, as I used to call her, always commented on 你要識做人, meaning you need to know how to be a human being. I never realized how important this comment was and how a big imprint it had made on my subconscious. But I know now that this unconscious legacy from my grandmother is the reason behind the work I do today, which is teaching and creating awareness how to be a whole human being, not just a human being. We create our legacy by the choices that we make in our lifetime. My question is, knowing that you will leave a legacy, why don't you leave one that is deliberately and consciously created? The great law of the Iroquois say, when making important decisions, remember the impact it has on the 7 coming generations. Please participate in this exercise by reflecting on these 2 questions. 1, what unconscious legacies have you inherited that are important for you today? And 2, what deliberate and conscious lasting legacies are you going to leave behind? Please share your thoughts and comments below. I am trying to increase awareness on this question of creating lasting legacies. I deeply appreciate your help and your contribution. Thank you.